Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a flower envelope. So let's start. I have taken the 4.5 centimeter radius. Make a circle. Now with the same, draw the marks like this. Now drawing the lines. Now attach the awl. Like this. Now mark the points again at the half on both the ends. Now make the half circles like this. I have also raised the lines and make them light. Now cut it. Now cut the lines properly from here. Now fold them like this. Now it is done. Now fold these lines that we have marked. Like this. So now let's fold it. Now it is done. So our flower envelope is ready. So now let's decorate it. I have also erased the lines. A pattern paper and paste it here. Now just close it. I have also cutted the half circles with the help of pattern paper. So now let's paste it also. it is also decorated. I have also made it in mini size like this. So that's all for today, guys.